Good morning, Jackie Hay here of HeyHayCreations. Today is Etsy shop update day. It's day 7 of my 30-day vlog challenge, and I am just setting up my love buckets. I am so happy with how they turned out. They are so stinking cute. So I decided to paint them like pink and purple and cream, and then I have this shiny luster coat over them. Now, some of them have little tufts of hair and bows. Some of them have top hats, and some of them, well, they're all holding flowers, and I just think they turned out so cute. This guy has one eye, and, I wasn't sure about the hats and the hair, but I really do like how they all turned out. I'm curious to see which ones are going to be popular. Well, if any. I know these are kind of strange, but that's why I like them. I was putting the top hats on them last night, and I just wasn't sure if I liked without the hats or the hats better. So I just did a sampling of all different ones, and I just think they're so cute. They remind me of in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, that like brain character that lived inside of that big robot guy. I forget his name, but that's kind of what they remind me of. Like just like these sludgy brain, or like this guy reminds me of a blobfish. I don't know. They're all just really funny. But I hope you like them. They're going to go in my shop. I'm going to be putting them up now. It's like 9 in the morning. Yeah, so that's the morning update. Let me know what you think. This one has 2 different colored eyes. Yeah, they're all different, and they're all cute, and they're all unique. But I'm happy with them. I hope you like them too. Okay, bye. Okay, so while my son is taking a nap, I am going to be packing up the giveaway from December. I am doing a voiceover because my workroom is also my laundry room, and it's very noisy, so I figure this will work. But anyway, these are the gingerbread guards and also the lollipops that I finished up. And I'm just showing you how they can go with their gingerbread guards. You don't need to use the lollipops. You can use your own lollipops or candy canes or whatever the season calls for. But anyway, I always put a little signed card and some treats and goodies in there. So you can see I'm adding some mints and a bag of tea. Just like a little extra thing that I like to do. But I think the gingerbread guards came out really cute. I hope that the winner from the December giveaway really enjoys them. Just to go back, the giveaways are something I do every month. They're completely free for you to enter. And every month I just kind of pick what I want to give away, and you have a couple days to enter, and then we do a drawing at the end of every month. So it's really fun, and it's just my way of saying thank you. I don't do a lot of sales, and I don't do a lot of advertising, so this is kind of how I like to reach out to my collectors and my friends. But yeah, anyway, you can see I use bubble wrap and tissue paper. Sometimes I like to use personal stickers or little drawings, things like that. I think with the love buckets, I will make some personal stickers for those. I also like to use a lot of newspaper. My husband reads the paper every day, so I just like to recycle and shred those up and put them in my packaging. So anyway, I hope the winner enjoys that. That's going out to her. And just one last thing before I wrap up this video, I want to say thank you to everyone who is buying things from me and from my shop. That really helps support my business, and I really can't thank you enough. So yeah, until tomorrow, I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.